Liefbarder Studios here, and today I'm going to make a vlog about my dog. There you are, Willow. So her name's Willow, golden retriever. Okay. And yeah, she's pretty nice. As you can see, she's pretty big. She's giant, actually. Come on. Very strong too. Come on, Willow. Silly girl. But this is my backyard, as you can see. We're focusing on the dog today. Yeah, she's really energetic. Look at her. Willow, come here. Willow. Come on. See? So as you can see, she's pretty big. Even though she's like pretty young. Like, she only really just turned 1. Yeah. She does have a sister. Well, she's got like many brothers and sisters. But the breeder we got her from, when we got Willow, like, she kept one of the puppies, and her name is Emerald, and that's Willow's sister. But then she's also got other friends and dogs. But yeah, come on, Willow. Yeah, guys, anyway, just thought I'd make a quick vlog about my dog. Anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, and, share with all your friends and family. And until next time, I'm Liefbarder Studios, signing off.